Hi, this is Paul Giese, sales specialist here at LDV. Today we're going to look at some features of Shay and Amanda Beisert's new 22-foot Peterbilt with the blackout package. Let's take a look. Congratulations, Shay and Amanda. And this truck has a total blackout interior. Black pegboard in the ceiling, black ceiling slats, black AC shrouds, black magnets, black electrical outlets. So what do you think about the blackout package? Like to see some more pictures, some more information? Let's put your plan together. Give us a call.